One advantage of SkilloVilla online is that you can free visit the lectures that we have missed, and you get to, if you didn't understand something, you can rewind it, see the lectures, and then come back again, and you can work on your project. Hello everyone, I'm Suraj. So basically, I'm a data analyst currently working at Data Rocket. So I'm basically an embarker itself. I self-taught myself Python and I self-taught to YouTube. But the only problem which I face is there's lots of videos and there's no structure at all. That is why I wanted a platform where everything is structured and I have one who have proper curriculum there. So that is the reason why I chose SkilloVilla. It helped me properly get all the content from start to end, and there was also a mentor support and all. So that is why I chose SkilloVilla. The offline classes, we need to travel. That is again a stressful thing. But one advantage of SkilloVilla online is that you can free visit the lectures that we have missed, and you get to, if you didn't understand something, you can rewind it, see the lectures, and then come back again, and you can work on your problems. And whenever you have some problem, you can ask the mentors. So that is an advantage I felt online compared to offline classes. So in my learning journey, first I came across Python because that is the most essential part. I had a little bit of idea about Python, but then later on everything was structured, so I learned from scratch again, and that was one. And then we learned about SQL, how do we connect databases, insertion of data, deletion of data, how do we manage complete schema of the database, all these things. So whenever I used to have a doubt, I used to go to the chat section and then type all in my doubts. People from our class also could reply to that. Also, we were having weekend doubt sessions. So that is when I used to ask the questions to the mentor. That is how I used to get resolved. So that is one way that all my doubts used to be resolved. One thing that we did in SkilloVilla is we made a case study related to customer categorization, and individual people, we categorize different people, and then we which kind of ad is successful, that kind of a case study we solved. So similar thing that I'm using in my real life also. So there was a project where I wanted to target elderly people for a project that was we were doing an ad campaign for Villa. So what we did is we did just like customer journey. We did a complete journey of all Bangalore places, and then we sorted people based on the maximum age group that they belong to, and then we made a list of cities which has the highest elderly people in Bangalore. So it was a similar thing that I did in SkilloVilla. It was simulation, but here using same knowledge, we did it in a real life or a real time ad campaign.
Collaborate with the SkilloVilla community today.